Okay, so this is the Snackability 2.0 feature video for SNAK-38, Snack Detail Redesign and Info Pop-ups. My name is Christian Cañizares, and the product owner for this project is Dr. Christina Palacios, and the professor overseeing the project is Dr. Masood Sajadi. So for the Snack Detail page, we wanted to do three things. We wanted to show information for what highly processed means, information for how each nutrient is calculated, and we wanted to give the user a quick visual to tell if the score is good or bad. So in the first screenshot I have here, you can see the number as a visual indicator to tell whether a score is good or bad. This color changes depending whether it's a good snack score or a bad snack score or a medium snack score. In the next screenshot, you can see that we have some information of the pop-ups that come up whenever you click on any of the nutrients. And finally, similarly, it's a pop-up for highly processed in this image. So let's do a quick demonstration. So I'm here in the same page before and I haven't calculated. So I click calculate and a visual guide animates. And you have the score breakdown here. You can click on any of these and a pop-up comes up. Also, if you're in the highly processed, in the calculate, you click on highly processed, a pop-up comes up telling you what highly processed is. So that was pretty much it for this feature. Let's go into the design. So this feature added 3 dependencies: an animated gauge for the visual design, count up for the animated count up animation on the score, popover tooltip, which is the pop-up box that comes up. It's just a library to handle that for us. So we changed one file, snackdetailview.js, and we created one function, create cells, which creates the cells, which are these guys right here in the score breakdown, and attaches that popover element to each one of these. In the render, we are rendering that table, and it has that information of the popover elements, and we also render the animated gauge there too. Finally, in the render calculation, that's where we added the highly processed popover to the calculation form. That's over here. Let's take a quick look at the code, and I can kind of point out the functions I was talking about. So here's the create cells function. This goes ahead and maps each of the cells to one of these labels. And if I go down to the render calculation portion, you can see somewhere here, I can find it, but I can't. Right, so here in the render you can see this is where we decide the color that the animated gauge is going to be. And here we describe the animated gauge progress and the animated number. And so this is the only page we had to touch, so that's pretty much it for the technical design. As always, if there are any questions, feel free to reach me. There's my email address, or you can always reach Dr. Masood Sajadi, and there's his email address.